Lay on the floor, keeping your chest and your head lift up. Start circling your right leg. Feel your femoral head circling in your hip. Don't forget to inhale and exhale deeply. Repeat 8 to 10 times, then start with your left leg. Lift your leg 90 degrees. Before starting any circling, feel your femoral head opening to the side. Now you can start circles with your leg. Keep your knee straight. When the leg comes to the starting position, close your femoral head and start again circling. Repeat 8 to 10 times, then start with your left leg. Lay all the way back on your mat, keeping your head, shoulders, thoracic spine, lumbar spine and sacrum on the floor. Lift your right leg. Feel your right hip opening. With your left hand, grab your right foot and gently put it over your left knee and relax for a few seconds. Raise your left leg 90 degrees. Now interlace your fingers behind your left knee. Pull with your hands and try to reach your chest. At the same time, push with your leg against your fingers. You can slightly lift your sacrum off the floor. Breathe deeply and try to relax. Do it again with your left leg. Now sit back on your sit bone and lean back on your hands. Twist gently your hips to the right and to the left, to the right and to the left. Be gentle with your hips.